Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session from the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend you watch the previous video where we talked about Tornado Alley. Now, let's put what you learned to the test. Is Tornado Alley located in the eastern United States? No, it's in the central United States. Does Tornado Alley include states like Texas and Kansas? Yes, it does. Are tornadoes rare in Tornado Alley? No, they are very common in this region. Does Tornado Alley experience tornadoes only in the winter? No, the peak season is late spring to early summer, but they can happen any time. Is the U.S. the country with the most tornadoes in the world? Yes, the U.S. averages over 1,000 tornadoes a year. Do tornadoes form when warm, moist air meets cool, dry air? Yes, that collision creates the perfect conditions for tornadoes. Are storm shelters and tornado sirens common in Tornado Alley? Yes, they are essential for keeping communities safe. Do tornadoes only damage trees and leave houses untouched? No. Tornadoes can destroy houses, uproot trees, and throw cars. Do people in Tornado Alley avoid learning about tornado safety? No, they regularly practice drills and prepare for storms. Is Tornado Alley famous among storm chasers and meteorologists? Yes, many come to study and chase storms during tornado season. Remember to watch this video several times to reinforce your learning, and subscribe to the channel so you stay updated on upcoming videos in this wonderful series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.